Good morning, YouTube family. This is Marcos again. It's currently 7:18 in the morning. Let's jump into my Robinhood account. Today we're going to be talking about LCA, Lancadia Holdings, which has a merger date set for this Friday, the 18th. The final vote that the shareholders have to vote to make sure the company goes through and changes over to GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gambling. My account currently sitting at $4,822.05. After hours, I'm up $113.54, which is 2.41%. Year to date, I'm still down $633.40. Let's jump down here to LCA, currently sitting at $21.19. Yesterday closed out at $20 and like 83 cents, something like that. After hours is currently up 54 cents, so people will start buying in by Friday because there's no reason why this merger should not go through. Everybody's been waiting for this merger for a while. So on Friday the 18th this week, the ticker symbol should change over to GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Lancadia Holdings Inc. I'm currently holding 125 shares at an average cost of $16.38, making my total return $694 in profit, which is 30%. I am not a financial advisor, but I'm pretty sure that this, once the merger goes through, this is easily a $40 to a $45 stock minimum. This is online gambling. This is a casino online. This is basically a machine to print money without the expenses of having an actual location. So we're going to jump over to the Safari to find some more information. Here is the Golden Nugget Casino website. It's currently working in New Jersey. They've been working in New Jersey, having profits of over millions. They offer table games and slot machines. They have 88 Fortunes. That's one good game a lot of people like to play. They offer blackjack, Spartans, 88 Fortunes, Mega Waves. They have a couple of online games. Obviously, they're going to probably be adding more and more games by time passes and more. Look at it, even live roulette they have. So this is their website. If you go to New Jersey casinos, it should pop up Golden Nugget Casino. This is basically what it will turn over at Lancadia Holdings on Friday, the 18th this week. So we're gonna go up here to this is the GNOG. This is their ticker symbol GNOG stock IPO, Golden Nugget Online Gaming Reverse Merger and Lancadia Holdings LCA. It says here, we have seen plenty of IPOs over the course of 2020. In June 2020, Lancadia Holdings, since June, they announced a merger to Golden Nugget Online since June. So we've been waiting quite a while. We've been waiting close to 6 months now for this merger to go through. There's no reason why on 18 the merger should not go through. Lancadia Holdings says here is a special purpose acquisition company, a SPAC, with intentions to reverse merger with online gaming and casino company Golden Nugget. GNOG stock IPO summary. Golden Nugget is a 7-year-old company being taken public by Lancadia Holdings to a special purpose acquisition company. This means that Golden Nugget is a recognized name already. A lot of people know what's Golden Nugget. They have physical locations, but not too long ago, they separated the brick and mortar, which is the physical casino, to the online gaming sector. So this is online gaming is 100% one thing, and the brick and mortar now is another thing. They do not have to do one with another. In June 2020, the reverse merger was announced between Lancadia Holdings 2 and Golden Nugget Online Gaming. The deal is expected in the later half of 2020, so basically it should go through. There's no other time frame for this. It should go through at the 18th. I'm very positive this goes through. Have faith in this. When the deal is finalized, LCA will change its ticker to GNOG, and will become Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Lancadia Holdings 2 raised $316 million prior to the deal, valuing the company at approximately $745 million. That's a lot of money for just a online sector. Remember, they have no brick and mortar. They have limited employees. They don't have no bars. They don't have to pay land taxes. They don't have to pay maintenance on a building or nothing really. They completely online. There will be a shareholder vote on December 18, 2020 for approval of the reverse merger. See that? That's what I'm talking about. On December 18th, it's for the approval of the reverse merger. That's what I'm saying. There should be nothing that will say that this merger will not go through. GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, additional information. As more states legalize online gambling, Golden Nugget is in a position to capitalize on new legislations. So this being said, that now with what went on, with what we're going through with the lockups and all that, online gambling has been more popular ever since because people couldn't go to physical casinos. So people started gambling from their houses. So more states are going to legalize this in the long run. Because like that, they also avoid casinos from being overfilled with a bunch of people inside all at once. So whoever could go to the brick and mortar casino, they could go. And the ones that want to stay in their house watching TV and gamble a little bit, they could do it also with online gambling. Companies in the same industry, such as DraftKings and Penn National Gaming, have both seen large upticks this year as investors move into these positions to gain exposure to the changing industry. This is exactly what I just said. DraftKings has also brought to the public markets by special purpose acquisition company SPAC early in 2020 via Diamond Eagle acquisition. So DraftKings basically knew also in 2020. And if I'm not mistaken, DraftKings went all the way up to around $60, $64 range. They're currently sitting around the $44 range. Golden Nugget GNOG has its main focus on online gambling rather than sports betting. If I'm not mistaken, DraftKings is more on sports betting than online gambling. Right now, sports are a little behind, and everybody know it. Obviously, in 2021, it should be popping back up, though. Okay, it says here, online gambling rather than sports betting, but offers both forms of online betting. So GNOG is going to offer both forms of online betting, sports and online casino, which would be table games and slots. Okay, this is according to Grand View Research, the online gambling market is expected to be worth $127.3 billion by 2027. GNOG Online Gambling Financials. Okay, this is GNOG Online Gambling Financials. Expected 2021 revenue of $122 million. That's just expected. I'm pretty sure that will probably be beat. They should probably make more, because Golden Nugget is also applying for licenses in other states other than New Jersey. They currently have Michigan already approved. So people that are in Michigan, the state of Michigan, you do not have to live in the state of Michigan. You could just be in the state of Michigan and you could download the app and you could be able to play on the app of the Golden Nugget online gambling. Also in New Jersey, you don't have to live in New Jersey, or you have to be inside the state line of New Jersey. You could also gamble. They also applied for Pennsylvania. We're gonna go back to Pennsylvania later on. I have on Google on Safari. I opened up I checked into that and I have some information there. We're gonna go over also. The gross revenue from gaming, 28.9 million, net revenue of 25.9 million, and operating income of 8.2 million. And Canadian Holdings 2 stock to change ticker symbol to Golden Nugget, the reverse merger between. Okay, we already went over this. Okay, I think that's good enough for this. This is from investingsimple.com. We're going to go down here to Investor Place. Merger will drive more buyers to Lancadia Holdings. After the merger, normally this is what happens. A lot of people stay away from SPACs. Right now, currently, LCA is a SPAC up to the 18th. Once the merger is 100% finalized, that the ticker symbol changes over to GNOG, a lot more people will jump into it because it's already officially 100% a company. actually company. Remember, Lancadia Holdings is just an acquisition company. Lancadia Holdings is just money. That's all it is. It's just money. So they're gonna buy, basically. They're gonna merger with Golden Nugget Online Gambling. This was updated on 12/7/2020 at 9:50 a.m. So it wasn't. It was updated basically last week. As a typical among special purpose acquisition, among a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, Lancadia Holdings 2 LCA isn't an exciting company by itself. See, it's not an exciting company by itself. To be honest, if it wasn't for the upcoming merger, there wouldn't be much of a reason to trade LCA stock. That's why there's been so much anticipation. Sorry about my reading here, guys. Surrounding Lancadia's planned reverse merger with Golden Nugget Online Gambling, GNOG. This gaming company will be Lancadia's core assets and should provide tremendous value and brand name recognition. So this being said, LCA, like I said, it's not worth nothing because it's just a SPAC play, and it's all it is money. It has nothing to really offer. Once the reverse merger goes through to Golden Nugget Online Gambling, that's when officially Lancadia Holding now has value as a company, now has an income, now has a recognized name, which is Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Right now, one of the competition is Penn Gaming. This is basically in Pennsylvania. They are online casino in Pennsylvania. They were funded in 1972. This is one of their competitors in the PA. But like I said, I bring this up to topic because on top of DraftKings, they also have Penn National Gaming online. So this is basically their direct competition, other than to brick and mortar stores, locations, of casinos in Pennsylvania. So this is going to be one of their competitions in Pennsylvania. If they get the license to operate in Pennsylvania, which I don't see why they shouldn't. The next thing here, this is DraftKings. It's DraftKings. Like I said, we're going to go back to DraftKings here a little bit. They're currently trading at 50-50, $50.50. Lancadia Holdings right now, before the merger date, is currently trading at $21, basically. So it's basically, so if you jump in now, let's say around the $22, $23 range, you still have up room to run, plenty of up room to run. I'm telling you, this stock is worth minimum. I'm going to put this in there. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment only. But to me personally, I think this is an easy $40 to $45 stock. So if you jump in at $22, you can still make double your money probably in the next 3 months or earlier. This could basically boom right out the gate. On Friday the 18th, once you change the ticker symbol, a bunch of people could just jump in and take up this price all the way up to probably $50, $60, $70. You never know. Like, it could just stay around the $22 range. Maybe, and next week, that's when it really is going to move. This is DraftKings. Currently, they knew in 2020, they just, I think it was back like in June or July, they did the reverse merger and became DraftKings. And they're currently sitting at 50-50. $50.50. We're going to go down here. It says it right here. This is about what I was talking about, the PA. Golden Nugget applies for PA online gambling license. Golden Nugget is making a run at the online gambling market in Pennsylvania just as a deadline for additional operators to apply for unclaimed online gaming license was about to, I'm guessing they missed a word here. It was about to expire this past Wednesday, I'm guessing. This is from January 15th. This was updated January 15th, but this is from November 4th, 2018. So this is some time ago. They've been waiting for this license. So we basically talking about this this was updated on January 15, 2020, but this article probably came out in November 4th, 2018. And that's when maybe they applied, or maybe they applied on 2019. I'm not sure what date they exactly applied for this license in Pennsylvania. But this is saying here that Pennsylvania gaming laws passed last year allowing the Gambling Control Board to issue a maximum of 39 online gambling licenses, consisting with 3 licenses for each of the state's 13 casinos to offer the following games in PA. online table games, online slots, online poker. GNOG, which is Golden Nugget Online Gambling, they only really want is online table games and online slots. Slots is the money maker right there, man. State authorized casinos were given the first opportunity to apply for the available online gambling licenses as a package price of $10 million for all three. Let's jump down here. We're not going to read every single thing. You guys, if you want, guys could go back and you guys want to read it all, go to bettingus.com. This is where I got this information from. It says here, but several opt for just two of the licenses, and one casino decided to forego online gambling altogether. So basically, one of the casinos that operate in Pennsylvania doesn't want nothing to do with online gambling. And some of the other casinos, instead of just taking the whole package deal for $10 million on offering all three, which is table games, slots, and poker, some of them just went with the typical probably slots and maybe table games, or maybe slots and poker, or if not poker and maybe table games. So some of them just asked for 2 licenses. Obviously, $10 million is a lot of money, and I'm guessing that's that's yearly that you have to renew this license. So you basically got to cough up $10 million per year just for the license. That's a lot of money there, you know. Okay, Prescott Island Downs and the owner of the future Stadium Casino applied to offer online table games and slots, but not poker. You see, that's one of the casinos that only went to table games and slots. That's exactly what basically GNOG is going to go after also. Lucky Lady Casino did not apply for any online gaming licenses at all. So that means right there, that's just 3 open licenses right there. Just with that casino not applying for online gaming. But remember, there's more competition out there. It's not just Penn Gamings or DraftKings. You know, you also have NGM. They also have online gaming. You know, you have other casinos out there. Wayne Resorts, I think, have online gaming. There's a lot of casinos out there that have online that they also probably applied for a license here in PA. After all was said and done, Pennsylvania's casino applied for 28 of the available 39 licenses. Additional 5 casinos have applied for online sports betting in PA. So this being said, that 11, it says down here that 11 that left 11 online gambling licenses up for grabs after Pennsylvania's casinos for a period ranging from October 16th through October 31st. So this is why this is from November 4th, 2018. So they had to apply up to the 31st. So probably that's when GNOG submitted their application, probably. It says here, MGM Resorts jumped on the opportunity last week. This is obviously in August, or maybe November. Not August, October, or November. That day, it says here, because remember, this is a old article. It was updated in January 2020, though. The opportunity last week and applied for online slots, table games, and poker at a non-discounted cost of $12 million. So they didn't get no discounts because they outside of the state of Pennsylvania. So MGM Resorts applied for all 3. Golden Nugget joined the party at the last minute, having submitted its application on the last day of October. So that's probably October 30 or 31st, I think it was. On the 31st, they submitted it. Unlike MGM, Golden Nugget is not applying for all 3 licenses. Golden Nugget is seeking permission to offer online slots and table games only. Like I said before, they only want online slots and table games only. So this is, if you guys want to keep going reading about this and more information, just go to Betting US. If you Google any information, there's pretty much a lot of information about this. You could go Google anything, just put GNOG, put LCA, put Golden Nugget Online Gambling, and you could find information about this company. So basically a price range, anything under, I'm guessing maybe $22 to $23. I'm not a financial advisor. You still should be good. If you didn't take advantage of the dip here, I think it went down to around the 20s. Look at $20.27. We probably will not see these numbers again, but you're still on time to jump in. I bought more shares when it went down a little bit, $22.38. This was on December 11th, $22.70. And $22.64. I bought more shares of this. Remember, I already had 125 shares, and when it's jumped up to the $32 range, I'm not mistaken. Let me see here. These are all buys. These are all buys. I got $22.99. I bought pretty high, $22.93, but I'm holding tight. I'm holding tight. I sold here, so at $23.17. Even if I'm buying at almost $23, I'm still making, it's not a lot, but 17-cent profit. You know, I did not sell these at a loss, which I'm not gonna do neither. I just bought back in. I also had contracts in this. I bought back in to buy more shares because I know this is easily a $40 or $45 company. I pretty much know it. This is a good company, online gambling. A lot of people like to gamble. This is not going nowhere, and it's just going to get more momentum, this online gambling. Okay, guys, I'm going to shut it down here. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Happy tradings. The stock market opens in an hour and a half. Hopefully, we have a green day today. Today is Wednesday, December 16th. Thank you for your time, guys, and have a nice day.